Lesson 15, page 42. Skating. Skating has steps going up and down. As you can see right here, this is a step up, this is a step down. Line to space or space to line. So when you're looking at these notes, instead of going F, that's a G, G, F, G, F, G, C, it's a much better way to read if you read it this way. If you read 3 on F, step up, step down, step up, step down, step up, and then the right hand 3 plays. So on the piano, you would just go, the 3's on F, then you read step up, then you read step down, you feel down, see that? Then I see it goes up, then it goes down, then I go up. Now here it goes to the right hand, so my right hand 3 plays. So here's that beginning again. See if you can watch up here. 3's on F, right? That's 2 beats. Then you feel to the right, then feel to the left, feel to the right, feel to the left, feel to the right, and then the right hand 3 plays. All right, let's see if we can play this now from the beginning. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2. Measure 5. Back to the beginning. Okay, now go 1 octave higher with the duet. 1, 2, 3. Back to the beginning. 1, 2, 3. Okay, and basketball is on page 43. This is shows you what a step down is, okay? This is a step down right there. That means you're just going to go to the left, and notice it goes backwards in the alphabet, doesn't it? And you're going to go to the left on your keyboard, and then when it steps up, you go to the right. So if you look at these notes right here, the 2 is on F. I repeat 2, repeat 2, repeat 2. Then here, I feel to the left, goes down to 3, feel up to 2, back to 2, and up to 1. Then here, the right hand 3 plays that C right there. So here's what's happening. With the left hand, 2 on F, I repeat that. Then right here, I feel down to the left to 3, back up to the right, and then my thumb plays. Now here is the right hand 3. Then I go back to 2 in my left hand, step up to 1, and back to 2. Then I repeat the 2. Now notice what's happening right here. I go down a step to 3, up to 2, and up to my thumb. Here's my right 3. Then back to 2. Down to 3, back up to 2. Let's see if we can play this whole thing now. From the beginning. Left hand 2. Ready, go. Now we're going to go 1 octave higher up to here from the beginning. 1, 2, ready, play. is page 43. We're now going to go to the red performance book, Performance 1A, and we're playing pages 15 and 16 today. Mr. Flea. Mr. Flea has the 3 on F, the thumb on C, and the 5 on G. It's going to be very loud in the first system and very soft in the second system. Here you can see it's 5 and 1 at the same time. This is 5 and this is 1. That's how those numbers are stacked on top of each other, telling you you're going to play 5 and 1 like this. All right, so watch these little numbers below the bass clef. That's the left hand 3. Here's the right hand 1, left hand 3, right hand 1, and the right hand 5. And there's your fingers right there. So let's see if we can play Mr. Flea now. The left hand 3 is on this F. The right hand thumb is on C, and the 5 is on G. Again, watch the score, not my fingers. 1, 2, ready, play. Now very soft, measure 5. 1, 2, 1, 1, 1, 2, 1, 1, 1, back to the beginning. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Very soft here. Go 1 octave higher now. Here we go from the beginning. 1, 2, ready, play. Back to the beginning. That's page 15. And on page 16, favorite things, has notes going by steps in the beginning here. This is the left hand 2 on F, goes down to 3, up to 2, and back to the thumb. So 2, 3, 2, 1. Down a step, up a step, up a step, down a step, down a step, up a step, down a step, up a step. So I'm simply feeling left or I'm feeling to the right. And here is the right hand 3 on C. At this point, you're going to put the left hand, the right foot on the right pedal to play the damper pedal and hold it down for the rest of this measure, the rest of the song to the end. So here's the left hand 2 on F, like that. 3's on E, thumb is on G, and now the right hand 3 is on this C. So from the beginning, here's your left hand 2. 1, 2, 3. Pedals down here. Okay, this time with the duet going, go 1 octave higher, go up to here. From the beginning, slower. 1, 2, 3. 2, 3. All right, now we're going to go on to the pink piano book. And today we're playing pages 32 and 33. This is all steps. Seconds are the same thing as steps. You can call these notes up a step, or you can say up a second, up a second. This is down by seconds. Space, line, line, space. down a second, down a second. And it's really simple. It just simply goes, this is my thumb on C, up a step, down a step, up a step, up a step, up a step. But instead of saying step, I'm going to say up a second, down a second, up a second, up a second, up a second. Then my left hand thumb plays right here. G, down a second, down a second, down a second, up a second, up a second, up a second. That's how I'd like you to read this. Let's see if we can play that from the beginning. 1, 2, ready, play. C, up a second, up a second. Now go down to the left, up to the right, up a second, up a second. Now the left hand thumb plays next. Step down, step down, step down, up a second, up a second, up a second. Now here's the right thumb on C. Step up, step down, step up, and step up again. Now here's the left thumb on G. Now repeat the same 3 here. Down a second, down a second. Skipping frogs on page 33. Here we have thirds. Thirds are the same thing as a skip. It can go line to line to line, or a third can go space to space to space. So this is up a third, and that's up a third. So is this, line to line to line. C to E to G. It skips the letter D, it skips the letter F. C, E, G. That's a third, right? Thirds. Thirds can go like this, C, E, G, but in the bass clef, it's spaces, see? C, E, G. And then it also has steps. This has skips and steps, or it has thirds and seconds in it. We'll start at the beginning now with skipping frogs. The right hand thumb is going to play the first note here. 1, 2, right thumb, play. Up a third, up a third. Okay, look ahead now. Feel down a second. Feel down a third, repeat. Then feel up a third, down a third, and repeat the same finger. Now, this is up a second, then up a third, and repeat. Here's the left hand 5. Up a third, up a third. Now down a second here, down a third, repeat. Up a third, down a third, up a third, down a third, down a second. Now we're going to try playing from the beginning. Ready, go. That's page 33. And we're going to go on now to the technique book, page 7 and 8. On the Ferris wheel, here we have to read both hands at the same time. Okay, so we're going to play, this is the right hand going up by seconds or steps. Then right here it changes. Both hands go down a step or a second. Both hands go up a second. Both hands go down a second, up a second. Now this G is the same thing over here. So you're going to repeat those same notes. The right hand 5, left hand 1, right here. Everything's going down by steps. So feel to the left in both hands. You get to here. Now you got to go back up the other way, right? So you go up a second, down a second, up a second, and down a second. Let's see if we can do that now. Make your eyes zigzag like this, up and down, across the score. Do not look down at your fingers. Do not look at my hands either. Here we go. You can do it. The right hand thumb is going to play first. The left hand 5 at the same time. That's the beginning, right? Okay. Here we go. 1, 2, ready, play. system. Down a step, down a step, down a step. And now you get to the bottom, go back up a second, down a second, up a second, down a second. Okay, back to the beginning. The right thumb and the left 5. Feel to the right. Next finger to the right. To the right, it goes up. It goes up again. Step down, step up, step down, step up. Hold that for 4 counts. Now after 4 counts, the next system starts. Feel to the left, feel to the left, to the left, to the left. Step up, step down, step up, step down. All right, let's go on now to page 8. First, we're going to play the right hand by itself. We're going to play the right hand to here. Then we're going to play the left hand by itself to here. Okay. After we do the repeats, that's when we're going to play this ending here. Okay. But first, let's just play just the right hand up to this point. Here's the right. Really simple. If we look at just the treble clef notes, right thumb, ready, go. Now go up a step, down a step, up a step, down a step. Step up, step down. Now here's the right 5. Down and up. Down, down, up. Down, down, and up. Down, down, and up. That's the right hand. Now we will go back and repeat that, but let's play just the left hand by itself now. Here's the left hand 5, right? Same idea. We're just going to feel to the right, which is this way, or to the left. Ready, go. 5, step up to 4, step back to 5. Up a second, down a second. Up a step, down a step. Up a second, down a second. Now here's the left hand thumb. Step down, step up. Step down, down, up. Down a second, up a second. Step down, step up. Okay, then we would go back to the beginning. Now we're going to play both hands at the same time. Okay, so we got to keep our eyes up here. Notice that both hands are doing the same interval at the same time, all seconds. Ready, go. Feel to the right, feel to the left. After 2 counts, go up a step, down a step. Step up, and feel to the left. Feel to the right, to the right, to the left. Now look at the next system. Step down, step up. Step down, step down, step up. Step down, step down, step up. Step down, step up. Back to the beginning. Play the notes after the repeat bar, the very last measure there at the end. Okay. Next, we're going on to the performance book. Today, this is page 14. Big Black Cat. Piano, then it's forte here for this one system, and then it's piano. This is where the cat kind of wakes up and gets really angry. Then it's back to piano. Everything is the second. There's no skips here. Half notes get 2 counts. Here we go. Big Black Cat from the beginning. So you got your right hand in C position like this. Left hand's here. And let's see if we can play this now. From the very top. It starts with a right hand 3. Ready, go. Now the left hand plays. right hand 3, very loud here. Left hand.